The Netherlands says it has suspended the use of AstraZeneca's COVID-19 vaccine. The government says the jab will not be used for at least 2 weeks as a precaution. It will delay the rollout of vaccinations in the country, which had scheduled around 290,000 injections from the supplier in the coming days. The move follows reports from Norway and Denmark, where healthcare workers who had recently received the vaccine were hospitalized for blood clots. Ireland, Iceland and Thailand have also suspended the use of the drug.